Welcome back to our channel. We heard that Google next foldable device are coming, and this is the first look upcoming Google Pixel Fold 2. The Google Pixel Fold 2 might skip the Tensor G3 chipset of the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro and jump straight to the Tensor G4 in the Pixel 9 and 9 Pro, which probably also means it will only be introduced alongside those devices in October and not in May like the original Pixel Fold. And upcoming Google Tensor G4 Geekbench score revealed, a Google device, codenamed Tokay, has been spotted running Geekbench 5 with what's supposedly a Tensor G4 chipset. It's easy to instantly notice two things that are very different with this model. First, the camera bump has a new shape, one that's very far removed from the original Pixel Fold's visor-like contraption. And as you can see that it's come with a triple camera setup, main camera, ultra-wide, and periscope zoom lens. Next up, the cover screen of the Pixel Fold 2 is clearly longer and narrower than its predecessors, which has a very wide form factor. While we can't see the inner screen, the source of this image says it has a hole punch cutout for the selfie camera in the top right, unlike the OG Pixel Fold which has it in the bezel. The Pixel Fold 2 is allegedly fairly thin but still has a very noticeable display crease. The Pixel Fold 2 features 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256GB of UFS 4.0 storage, and course is built with aluminum frame. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.